Hello and Tesla once again. Today I'm excited to introduce you to our new mobile app, 37 Practices of Bodhisattva, or in Tibetan, Geshe Laglen Soduma. If you are a Buddhist practitioner, you know how essential it is to study the Geshe Laglen Soduma teachings. But attending these teachings in person can be costly and rare if you are living abroad. Even if you attend such teachings, you may still need frequent revision later in order to have a deeper understanding. I personally experienced this challenge when I attended the teaching from His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Although it was a 3 to 4 days teaching, I still struggled to fully comprehend the details of teaching. Since then, I have been searching for more opportunities to revisit the teachings, but it has been over a decade now. And such opportunities are very rare, especially for our fellow Tibetans who are scattered around the world. That's why we created this mobile app, which provides us easy access to Geshe Laglen Soduma teaching. With our app, you can listen to audio teachings that highlight each line automatically, making it much easier to understand and follow. This app has been very useful for me, and the best part is that I can now listen to teachings from the comfort of my own house. So, whether you are a seasoned practitioner or just starting your journey, I encourage you to download 37 Practices of Bodhisattva and start exploring its rich teachings today. Let us open the 37 Practices of a Bodhisattva mobile application. Here, you can change application's language, and also you can change the font size here according to your preference. Here is the audio for the application. The audio consists of explanation for each line and stanza in a very simple language. So even common people with the basic Tibetan language skill will be able to comprehend and understand. This application is very beneficial to those who are beginners and has a limited knowledge about Buddhism. Each line is highlighted with yellow color. The explanation is very simple and uses very simple language, which makes it very easy to understand even for common people. So this is a brief introduction. When you click on this option, you can adjust the audio speed. Click here to repeat the audio. Once again, this is our brief introduction to this mobile app. Thank you.